Each layer added to a ProShow frame had its own point of view. By default, it is referenced from a layer's center. However, in actuality, a layer's point of view is determined by its rotation center value. This is the value that determines the point around which a layer will rotate or tilt. If two or more layers share the same rotation point, they effectively share the same point of view. Knowing how to calculate a specific rotation point anywhere on or off the screen allows for a shared point of view for layers that are widely separated by distance, size, aspect, and/or scale. The following is a basic demonstration of that fact. This demonstrates that each layer has its own point of view. Notice that as the layers rotate, their outside edges do not align. Each layer's rotation point, in this case a layer center, determines its specific point of view. To demonstrate a common or shared point of view, I changed the two discrete layers into a single layer. Like previously, this layer's center is the rotation point around which the layer rotates. All layer sides and corners rotate as one unit. Now we revert back to the two discrete layers and move the rotation points together. Each layer now shares the same rotation point located at the center of the mutually defined area. Note that each layer rotates as if they were one unit. It doesn't matter where that rotation point is, as long as each layer references the same rotation point, the layers can engage in coordinated movement as if they were a single layer.